Welcome to another Women and Mysteries with Nzetobo Sigwe, Ezikolomuo. Today I want to discuss 7 reasons why you should not combine Odinana with Christianity. 7 reasons why you should not combine Odinana with Christianity. Before I proceed, I have to remind you people about Afiolo Extra. Coming up August is a period we can come together to network, to enjoy, to learn from each other. I would like to see some of you people here in Nnewi, in Obieziokwu. I will be your host. Within the 4 days of this festival, you can see it as a cultural vacation, as a period to unwind. You can come with your friends and your family members. So we consider this as a special invite. Thank you. 7 reasons why you should not combine Odinana with Christianity. Our people will say, Onyesholi liawo, ya liawo kalaka, akpo yo liawo, oza. This means when you decide to do what seems unpopular, you should without care do this act with no half measure, so that all and sundry will proudly know you for that unpopular act. Onyesholi liawo, ya liawo kalaka, akpo go liawo, oza. No doubt, for now, emphasis on the word for now. No doubt, for now, Odinana seems to be an unpopular spiritual path, both within Alibo and outside Alibo. Generally, by people I mean humans, do not like identifying with an unpopular cause publicly, no matter how genuine and beneficial the cause is. Incidentally, Christianity, which is the opposing religion in Alibo, is very popular and acceptable by people, not just within Alibo, but outside it. One can say world over. The message, teaching, and the lifestyle of Jesus, who is credited to be the founder of Christianity, is so popular that Jesus is assumed to be the most popular historical human figure of all time. As a result of this, many see Christianity as the true religion, as the true what? Religion. There is a saying that success has many children and failure is an orphan. In the eyes of many Igbo who have seen the popular effect, the bandwagon effect of Christianity, they take this to mean that their own Odinana, that their own spiritual path, that their own traditional religion is an orphan, because a lot of people, even within an Igbo, are no longer have shifted from Odinana to Christianity. So they now see Odinana as a failed path, as a dying religion. This is why they may privately admit to the efficacy of Odinana. They may privately admit to the efficacy, to the depth, to the spirituality, to the utilitarian value of Odinana. Privately, they will admit this privately, but publicly, they do not want to identify with Odinana. As a result of this, they resort to being either Christians in the public and Odinana in private, or they may decide to identify publicly with both of them. By this, they mix some aspect of Christianity with some aspect of Odinana in a kind of what? Balancing act. However, therein lies the problem. Like they say, the devil is in the details. The devil is in the details. You know, when you try to mix these two in a balancing act, Odinana and Christianity, there is always problem. And the devil lies in what? In the details. What people who try to mix Odinana with Christianity always fail to realize is that you cannot mix 2 different religions. Religions are like gender. You are either male or female. Forget what they are saying now about binary and every other thing. Someone should not say hermaphrodite because it's a rare biological occurrence. 2 different religions are like animals. Religions are like animals. You are either a dog or a cat. You cannot be both at the same time. Just like you cannot look up and look down at the same time. You are either looking up or you are looking down. You cannot do both at the same time. That's how 2 different religions, that's how they are. Let's look at the reasons why you should not mix them. Number 1, they are diametrically opposed ideologically. They are diametrically opposed ideologically. They are divergent. two parallel lines. They cannot meet. Odinana is polytheistic. This means worship of several gods. Odinana believes in the worship of what? Several gods, myriad gods. While Christianity is the worship of one God. Mind you, in Christianity, this God is not mentioned. Some people say he's the creator of the whole world, the universe, and all this one. Some school of thought believe that the God of Christianity is the sun God. Some believe that the God of Christianity is the one the Judaism are worshiping, and some people will say that is Ra. Some people will say that it might be Constantinople who instead the religion, Christianity. So there are diverse opinions on what exactly is this one God, the name of this one God that Christianity said that they are worshiping. So there is an ideological what differences. An ordinary practitioner know that he's worshiping what? Several gods, and believes in the existence of what? Several gods. While Christianity, which is monotheistic, do not believe in the existence of what? Other gods, but believe in the existence of one God, which they say is the only true God, the creator of heaven and earth. Number two, they are culturally based. Odinana is rooted in Igbo culture, while Christianity is rooted in what? European cultural practices. Easter, Sunday, Sabbath, these are European cultural festivals, or going to church on Sundays or Sabbath, or some say Saturday. These are holidays for the Europeans or for the people that brought the culture, the Jewish culture that Christianity took part of its foundation from, its roots from. However, Igbos believe in 4 market days, Eke, Orie, Afo, Nkwo, and within these 4 market days, each community have their own holidays and they have their own holy week. So, which one is now your own Holy Week? Is it the Igbo Holy Week or the Jewish or the Christian Holy Week? Which one is your own holiday? If your own holiday is a Ekoko and a Ekoko happens to be on Sunday, which God are you going to worship on that particular day? Are you going to worship 2 of them? Noka, or will you come to with Nokumuoge or to start worshiping Jesus there? On its holiday. So you see that these are cultural differences that is making it impossible for you to genuinely pay your allegiance to the 2 sides. Now, number 3, opposing ancestors. Every religion, I've said it elsewhere, every religion is a form of ancestral worship. Every religion is a form of what? Ancestral worship. Christianity has its own ancestors like Abraham, David, Isaac, Jacob, Paul, Peter, Constantine, Alexander Marx, St. Augustine, Thomas the Aquinas. There are many. These are Christian what? Ancestors. There are many. Odinana itself has its own ancestors. In Odinana, we pay our ancestors, our lineage. Ndị Ishie be nna anyị fa, ndị fiwelu ngwulu, ndị tili amụma, ndị mara ataka, ndị bulu oke ọfọ, ndị chili ọzọ, ndị mere ife eji wee zọta ada, ndị fiwegasịrị mmụọ na-efe efe na ngwulu. These are the ndị Ishie, our own ancestors. And they have their own peculiarities, which are opposing. Like I used to say, in Odinana, you have Uso. Listen, these Ishis that we are talking of. How will if Hana so? And if you're going to follow them, whereas in Christianity, they say that they eat everything. So you see that you are deceiving yourself. If you have to follow Odinana, if they do not eat snail, you cannot eat snail. If they do not eat fish, you cannot eat fish. If they do not eat python, you cannot eat python. But in Christianity, they say they eat everything, that everything is what? Holy. So you see, these opposing ancestors is a problem because Paul has been mandated to do what? Declare everything holy. I believe it Peter that has been mandated to declare everything holy by God, by their God. This is why I keep saying that these gods are different. Forget what they're telling you about universal God. So, assuming you want to pay allegiance to Odinana and Christianity, which of these opposing ancestors will take precedence? Are you going to place Jesus above your own ancestors? Are you going to place your own ancestors above Jesus? It's you that will make the decision because you that wants to mix 2 of them that will make that decision for yourself. Number 4, Odinana promotes animal sacrifice. In Odinana, you make animal sacrifice to your chi. You make animal sacrifice to Indishe Boni. You make an animal sacrifice to a form Gulubono. Why Christianity opposes such what? Practices. That's what they see as what? Hedonism. So you cannot say you can do both. You cannot. You cannot. You have to choose one. Number 5. Christianity proves Bible as the only word of God and Jesus Christ as the only Son of God. Odinana is purely against these two doctrinal claims. Odinana sees everyone as sons and daughters of God. There is no special son of God. There is no special daughter of God. There is no one universal Messiah. In Odinana, we believe that every generation produces their own Messiah, their own saviors, their own Dibias, their own healers, their own doctors, their own pace setters, who will be the future indeed she is. Number 6 now. Christianity believes that Jesus Christ is the chief, that's the savior of all Christians. No one comes to the Father except through Jesus Christ. In Odinana, no. Odinana believes that one of the ways to find the Godhead is through your chi. Odinana believes that your everyone's chi is different, that there is no one chi for everybody. Instead of the doctrinal teaching of what? One chi, that's Jesus Christ, for all Christians, of all believers. Odinana is saying no. Maluchigu, find your own chi. So where do you stand? You must understand these ideological, doctrinal, theological differences. They are not compatible. Unless you are paying lip service to the two religions, that's why you say that you can mix them. You cannot mix them. There is nothing like Christian. Number 7, Christianity from its history in Alibo seems all out to obliterate Odinana. They burn shrines, they condemn it, they condemn despite that Odinana is the older religion. But Christianity, which is the junior religion in Alibo, is always out, is always militant in its approach to Odinana. So how can you mix those two? Can't you see that they are like water and oil, that they cannot mix? They cannot mix. They can tolerate, but they cannot mix. So I'm asking, if you are a true owner of Odinana, why are you trying to mix a religion that despises other religions? Why will you want to mix Odinana with another religion that despises it? Odinana, as a more mature religion, does not have anything against Christianity. But it's obvious that Christianity have a lot against Odinana. For the fact that they have that doctrine that Jesus Christ is the way, the truth, and the Father, nobody comes to God except. You have foreclosed these other ways. You have despised them. You have written them off. That you can only know God through Jesus Christ. You have written out other parts. I have come to make division, separation between father and mother, between sons and you have said that no, it's only this one. So if you're a true Odinana, how can you say that you can mix with that kind of intolerant religion? Now, here is my thoughts. I believe two people, by two people I mean husbands and wives, siblings, can be part of these two different religions and exist harmoniously by each minding their business through tolerance. But if you ever think that you as a single individual can be truthfully into the two practices, then you are deceiving yourself. That will amount to what? Hypocrisy of a gross proportion. Anyone who is into Odinana is like an advocate in a law court defending a client. You cannot come back as a defense counsel and be also prosecuting counsel. A lawyer in a law court cannot be a prosecuting and a defense counsel. It is not possible. It's not possible. You will end up jeopardizing the whole matter. So this fulfills the Igbo adage na actually Iliawo kalaka ogoria we megono is that choose a side and face it. Even if everybody is saying that side is the guilty party, once you have chosen to be the advocate of the guilty party, stick to it. Do not hide under the banner of we are all worshiping the same God. No. Whenever there is differences and sides to be chosen, it is behoven that one must take a side. It is wise to take a side and stick to it, rather than the hypocritical attitude of trying to be cool with the two opposing parties. Remember, actually Iliawo kalaka, apogo Iliawo. Is that? Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share. I would like to hear from some of you. If you have any question, please, you can reach me through the number on the screen or my email address or my other social media handles. Thank you. Thank you.